Hey with Bargain Mama. And so this is my third video filming in the same spot. So I am in my bedroom on my floor because I started out all these videos doing 2 gift basket ideas, a collab with Amy from Bella's Bargains, which she will be linked. And so I started out doing those, which I'm not going to sit on the floor in my garage because A, it's concrete, and B, it is cold. So anyways, I just decided might as well keep going with my hauls while I'm here, right? Let me just tell you, right before this came on my last video, I put on this Beauty Essentials Lip Clarity thing right here. I love this, guys. This is still making my lips tingle. I love it. I will get more if I can find it. Love it. But let's get started. I'm going to try, so let's try to put it at least like 99-cent store, Walmart, because I got too much stuff. I should have done it before I pushed the start button, but that would be too easy for me, right? All right, guys. Ooh, I knew I got more paint. Anyways, I got some more paint. Is this black? Yes. To be honest, I did not remember, and I almost went and bought some today. That is why I need to remember what I bought. You shop too much when you forget. I literally almost stopped and got more. Anyways, this is from Walmart, is the flat belt black. I need this for some craft things I'm doing, so I picked that up. It's like $5, and I was going to go get more. No, I'm glad I did not. If you guys have been to Walmart to see the Christmas stuff yet, I could have been poor. Yeah, so this was all $1.58. They have so much cute trim, I didn't even know what to do. So this is 15 feet. This is just the red sparkly that I want to use on some decorations that I'm going to make this look like tinsel on small trees. And then this is 15 feet. It's just like a cotton of red and whites. So I got that. And this is all $1.58. And then this silver, again, I'm going to put it on tinsel on little mini trees. You guys, but this isn't even close to the cute stuff they had. Like, they had so much cute stuff. And then this is like red and green. It's like a fabric or something, but it's so cute. So I picked that up. So, but they had so many trim, it was insane. So I did pick up some more paint colors first. I don't know. I've never bought chalk paint, not done anything. I heard everyone talking about Waverly chalk paint, but I can't find it. And then I heard that Walmart doesn't carry it. So if you know anything about this, so this is Hello Lobby. It was like $5. It's Swan White, 8 fluid ounces. I'm trying to find stuff that will like paint glass and stuff because obviously some of this other stuff doesn't. I don't know. If you know anything about this, please tell me like if it's as good as the Waverly, which I wouldn't even know because I've never bought Waverly, but is it good at all? And then I did just pick up 3 more of the apple barrels for like 58 cents. This is just the whites and it's 2 fluid ounces. And this is the lavender, 2 fluid ounces. And this is Key West, 2 fluid ounces. Got those. How much are these? These were $1.98 also at Walmart. But you guys know the tragedy I had with my other boots. They smelled like mold. And so I couldn't use them. And I was very sad. But these are so cute. Like, can we please talk about, like, look at the front of these. So these are at Walmart, and I smelled them, and they do not smell like mold. But look at the front of them. They're just, I don't know, I just love the little fur and stuff. So I did pick up 2 more pairs. They were $1.98, but that's fine. And then, well, I don't know, because I saw them, and I was like, oh, washcloths. I need more washcloths. Like, I need a hole in the head. But 2-pack, 12 by 12 inches. I think they were like $1. I don't know. They were good quality washcloths. Like, they're not cheap, so I just picked them up. So there's 2 more. This one is in the green and white and the tan. And I felt like this green and white was kind of Christmassy, so I can use it at Christmas. I don't know. So I got those. Let me see what else is from Walmart so that I can try to stay kind of on the same page. Oh, these are from Walmart. How cute are these, guys? The stuff at Walmart had, like I said, it was insane. Like, my husband and I are going on a Christmas date this Friday. And I am, no joke, getting dressed into my Christmas decor, and we are going, and I'm going to Hobby Lobby, and I'm just going to take my time. I may not even buy anything, but just to be in, like, that atmosphere, I could just sit in there. I could just sleep in a Walmart. Like, if you ever watched that movie, I can't remember what it is, but she sleeps in a Walmart and then, like, gives birth, I think, in a Walmart, and then gets married in a Walmart. It's a really good, interesting show, but that could be me during Christmas time. So we're going on a Christmas date just so that, you know, I can get out of the house and do stuff. So anyways, this was $1.98, but look at how cute this is. Like, it's a little hat, obviously, But look at the sides with a little, like, it's like a muffler thing. I don't know. I live in Arizona. We do not need this. We don't even need this. But I don't care. Like, once I start seeing people have cold weather, I'm like, oh, we're supposed to have cold weather? Okay. Like, yeah, let me put some of this back in here. Yeah, like, if I see cold weather, I'm like, oh, okay, it's cold weather time? Okay. So, because in Arizona, we don't have seasons. So I have to live off of you guys. So, like I said, the second I see cold weather, I'm like, oh, cold weather time. And then I did pick these up. They were $1.98. So again, I'm doing a collab with North Carolina Mama and some other people, and we are decorating the little mini Christmas trees. And so you can obviously see what I'm going to do. I'm going to be making some also. Everything did not have to be from the Dollar Tree, but she doesn't want you spending like $10 on one thing. So I did just pick up 6 of these. I think they're beautiful. I love them. And so I picked those up for my Christmas tree. Oh, I thought this was broken. I was going to be so sad. This was only $1.98. And this is absolutely beautiful. I'm trying, so you can see like the glitter and stuff. And it's like clay, so it's pretty heavy. It's just so beautiful. Like, I love it. So I'm probably going to put this on my hot cocoa bar. And then this little guy's going to go in my kitchen. Did I say that was $1.98? I don't remember. But this little guy is going in my kitchen, and he's the little gingerbread man. Again, you can see like the glitter on him. I'm all about glitter, guys. I don't care. So he was $1.98 also. And then he was gorgeous. I had to get him. And they had him in so many different colors. So Santa was $1.98. Oh, Santa, your butt is showing. His gown is up in the back. So this was $1.98 also, but he's beautiful. Oh, he's so beautiful. Like, I'm just like a Santa, I don't know, like, I mean, Santa, you know, so I just thought he was beautiful. Love him. So I got him. I got this $1.98 also. How cute is this? You can see the glittery stuff on it. Obviously going in my kitchen, probably on my 3-tiered tray for my Candyland decor. So that was $1.98. And then these I think are so cute. They're 3 mini ornaments, but look at them. They're like little lanterns, and these were $1.98 also. All of their, most of the stuff that I saw was $1.98, and they were like really good deals. Like, I know Dollar Tree has stuff for $1, but I'm telling you, I have not been able to find like the best ornaments this year, and $1.98 is not bad at all. This was more than $1.98, but I had to get it. If you watched any of my films with me sitting on the floor right here, this one is better because it's the 3rd one. So my dogs are now not they're tired of messing with me. But if you watch my first one with my 2 gift baskets, you're going to see they're just everywhere. I love my dogs. Like, they kind of run our house. But so I had to get this. It's the fire hydrant, $2.97. And I'm sure you guys can see what that dog is doing to the fire hydrant. So I thought that was the cutest thing ever. So I had to get that. I had to get it. Oh, yay. So I think that's all of my Walmart. Let me just make sure. Then I did just pick up, I think, just one thing from Family Dollar. And I was going there to look for something else. But I just happened to see this. Let's see. I think this was $6.50. Something like that. No, these were $5. My middle son absolutely loves SpongeBob. These were $5. So I picked them up for him to sleep in. Like, nothing special. They're normally $10. So they were having 50% off. But it's just SpongeBob, so I'll just give them to him, like, when he comes down for Christmas. All right, so I think this is all 99-cent store. And it's only 8 minutes in, so we have time to do the whole thing. So my front room, so I'm doing each room in a different kind of decor. So my kitchen is going to be Candyland themed. My living room is going to be kind of gnomes, I think. My dining room is going to be elf themed. And then my front living room, when you first walk in, is going to all be kind of traditional Christmas, like Santa, snowman, red, green, white, kind of like the traditional everyday snowman, like a snowman Christmas. And then my son's bathroom is going to be red truck, which I'll do a DIY for you guys on that because I am doing all of my decor for his bathroom from the Dollar Tree instead of spending all that other money. But so my front room is going to mainly be, like I said, just Santa, like normal North Pole kind of stuff. So let's get started. This right here says Happy Holidays, paper cutouts, 10 pieces. I just got these so I can do something with them. I'm not sure. I just, like I said, I'm just really into the traditional stuff. And so I really love Santa and the Christmas tree. So in my living room, which you'll see when I show you my coffee bar, in the front living room, like the huge wall as soon as you walk in is like a cutout kind of, so it's pushed back like this much, so it's an indent in the wall like this much, a huge piece. And so that is like going to be kind of the focal point. So I want to put some shelves on there, put up some garland around it and stuff like that. So I think I'm going to use those in it. I don't know, but I just got them. And then of course I got this. So this is 39 inches by 52 inches and it's a photo backdrop. And my husband thinks it's going to be very cheesy, but I really just want to put it back there because I just love this part. So instead of doing the whole thing, because there's this down here too, I might just cut him out right here and put that like across the top. I don't know, but I'm telling you, the magic of Christmas, all the old school stuff is totally me. Again, my kids wait for Christmas Eve, wait for Santa every year. Like I just love it. So I think I picked this up before, but I couldn't remember. And of course I needed more, like a hole in the head. Do you ever like go shopping and then when you realize you have to put it all away, you're like, I don't even have places to shove this stuff anymore. Like, yeah. So this is the pom-pom garland, 84 inches in red and green. And it was just $1. And of course it was such a good deal. It had to go in my cart. So I got those. I do like this bottle brush tree. Another one. Once I find all my bottle brush trees, I'll probably have a whole room filled with these. But so this was just $1. It's 8 inches. So I got that one. I thought I needed these apparently. I'm guessing I needed them for their fur is the only thing I can think of because I do not know anyone that has My First Christmas. So it's a baby hat, one size fits most. It was $1. And so I'm guessing I just really liked the fur on it to make something is the only thing I can guess right now. Because I can tell you, it doesn't feel like, you know, when you get the stockings and stuff from the Dollar Tree, it feels really thin and cheap and it's not really like furry. These are pretty furry. So I'm guessing that's why I got them for the fur, not for baby's first Christmas. Because that is not coming in here. No. So here's another bottle brush tree. This is 8 inches. Oh, hold. Oh. Ooh, 40 years old. I'm too old to be sitting on this floor this long. But how beautiful. I'm trying to see. Yeah, you can see the glitter and stuff. How cute. So I got that. I did pick up more of these because I need to put something in them. So these are 2 pieces, 3.54 inches. I told you in my last video, if I ever really do all the crafts I say I'm going to, I won't even need a job because I'll be like a millionaire from all my crafts. And then I did just pick these up because if you watched one of my videos, one of my DIY videos, I made some like candle holders out of terracotta pots. And I just have like a white candle holder or LED candle on it, but I thought these were cute. So I picked these ones up and it's 2.7 inches by 3 inches. And it requires 3 LR41 batteries included. I don't know. So here's the silver one. Here is the red one and glittery and the green one. So I got those for that. And then I did get this. It's just laser cut out snowflakes, 14 pieces, 4 inches by 9 inches, because I'm going into my kitchen. I have 2 cutouts and I want those hanging from the ceiling right there. I picked these up because he's Santa, but 20 pieces, 13 by 13 inches, $1 because I want to Mod Podge or decoupage, whatever you want to call it, glue it on something. So I liked it. And I might just go on my Candyland bar. I'm not sure. Or no, on my coffee bar I meant. So I guess I picked up 2 of the bells. And then I picked up 2 of these, and these are 3.54 inches. I think my idea is bath salts with these. So I picked up 2 of those. And then these I think are so cute. And I just had to get them. So this is Home for the Holidays tabletop decor, 3.5 inches by 2 inches by 6 inches. But how cute are these? Like, oh, how on both of them did I show you the wrong side? How cute are these? And they're like stuffed in the middle. So they're like, I don't know. They're just so cute. So I picked those up because I think they're very cute. And then I did just pick up these steel needles, 70 pieces. No, I don't know how to sew. And there's no way in a million years. Like I've tried, I can't. But I'm going to try to make like some garland and stuff and use like some of this stuff and like, I don't know, some other stuff. But I need a needle to push it through with that. like to push the string through. And so I don't know, that's what I'm gonna use it for. I literally needed one needle. And if you bought a small pack, you could only get these small little ones. Who is gonna get the string in through that small hole? Like, my eyes do not see that hole. So I really just needed these really, really big ones over here so that I could see where I was putting my string. So I got those. I did pick up more of these. Ooh, you guys, these are amazing. I love them. So they're the Minute Maid Super Smoothies. This one is strawberry banana. I believe they have an orange pineapple or something too. It's 5 grams of sugar and protein, 8.12 fluid ounces. It's only 60 calories per bottle. And what was I going to say? So if you are craving something sweet, this is perfect. And if you go to the Dollar Tree or to Family Dollar or Dollar General, these are $1. Good deal, right? At the 99-cent store, if you have one, these are only 50 cents. Yes, they are 50 cents each at the 99-cent store. So that is an even bigger bargain. Huge bargain. So I pick them up every time I go there. And then the last 3 things I found, I think are so cute. And so I did pick them up. They were $1 each, which I even had to look because I was like, there's no way these are only $1. And they were. So this is 2.82 ounces. And this one says, all I want for Christmas is you and candy. So it already has the label. This one, the label was pretty good. Some of them you really had to watch, but this one has that really pretty label with the blue ribbon. So I thought that was pretty. And then this one, the ribbon came undone, but it says, may your holidays be sweet. Look at the beautiful color of that candy in there. Like, that is so pretty. So that's the label. The bow came undone, but that's okay. And then this one right here said, peace, love, and candy. I just think that even the candies alone, just the wrappers, are so beautiful. So there's that one. And I mean, they're a pretty big jar. They're big jars. So those were the only 3 I saw. I'm sure they had more. So I think I'm done. Yeah. You guys are probably excited too. And I know my dogs are excited because they're ready to leave my bedroom. And you see my door is open, but they think that our umbilical cord is still attached. And so it doesn't matter what room I go to, they come to the same room. And then they whine and cry because they don't want to be in that room. Then go to another room, fellas. Anyways, all right, guys. I hope that you're having an amazing day, and thank you so much for watching this. Hopefully, more DIYs will be coming soon since I'm off for another week and a half. All right, guys. Have a great day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.